Most people don't have a money problem. They have a management problem. We spend 40 hours a week earning it, but barely 40 minutes a month managing it. Today, we're changing that. In 120 seconds, here is how you master your cash flow. Stop overcomplicating your budget. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, groceries, and utilities. 30% goes to wants, that's your dining out, hobbies, and subscriptions. 20% goes to financial goals, paying off debt or building your future. If your needs are eating up 70%, it's time to downsize or side hustle. Before you invest in the next big stock, you need an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Aim for 3 to 6 months of basic expenses in a high-yield savings account. This isn't just money, it's sleep at night insurance. It turns a potential crisis, like a car breakdown, into a mere inconvenience. The biggest mistake? Saving what's left after spending. Flip the script. The moment your paycheck hits, automate a transfer to your investments or savings. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. This is called paying yourself first, and it's the single most effective habit of the wealthy. Money management isn't about restriction, it's about intention. It's not about stopping yourself from buying coffee. It's about making sure you can buy the house. Start today. Audit your last 3 transactions and ask, did this bring me closer to my goal or further away?